Actor Kangana Ranaut has hit back at Taapsee after the actor broke his silence on the IT raids, and in the postscript of a third tweet wrote, "Not so sasti anymore," taking a swipe at Kangana's sister, who called her a sasti copy of Kangana. Kangana in response has said, and I quote, "You will always remain sasti because you are sub-rapist ka feminist. Your ringmaster Kashyap was raided in 2013 as well for tax chori. Government officials' report is out. If you aren't guilty, go to court against them. Come clean on this. Come on, Sasti." So again, Kangana Ranaut taking on Taapsee Pannu time and again in her tweet, referring to Taapsee as Sasti. And this comes after Taapsee had taken a clear swipe at Kangana's sister Rangoli, saying that she's not Sasti anymore. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us with more details on this. So Mustafa, again, this war of words between Kangana and Taapsee. Taapsee had in her tweet clearly taken a jibe and responded to Rangoli, Kangana's sister's jibe, saying there that she's not Sasti anymore. And that's prompted a response from Kangana.
Well, yes, the initial case we know was of service tax evasion, which is being investigated by the Income Tax Department. And since morning now, Taapsee Pannu and then Anurag Kashyap have come out on social media, and Taapsee has denied all the allegations, while Anurag Kashyap is saying that all is back to normal and he's shooting again. While a response has come from Kangana Ranaut saying that the actual raids, the case pertains to 2013. So the point of government vendetta is not correct. That's what the finance minister also said, that the case pertains to 7 years back. But the question which Income Tax Department will have to answer as to whether any follow-up action was done in the last 7 years, or the case has just suddenly propped up now, and what is Taapsee Pannu's involvement in this entire case, what is the exact amount, what are the documents which have been recovered during the raids, what seizures have been made, and whether any clinching documents or evidence has been recovered, anything has been seized. So these are the questions on which we await the response from Income Tax Department. Till then, the reactions are coming in from the celebrities who were raided. And then again, there was, as you said, a tweet by Kangana Ranaut also. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.